All right, I want to fill you in on a few options on how to get a healthy glow back. Typically, the clients that I see on a regular basis, which would be around 4 to 6 weeks, are getting some sort of exfoliation treatment done, depending on what type of exfoliation they would like and what their skin tells me they need. One of those options is microdermabrasion. Microdermabrasion, the handpiece looks a little bit like this. There's little pieces that you attach and reattach. It kind of feels like a cat licking your face. It's not painful. So that's one option. Option 2, dermaplane. This is really popular. Some people like to shave their face. This is a little bit different. So this does remove that vellus hair, but with this you're going to get a nice exfoliation with the dead skin cells. A tool like this is typically used, something similar to this if not, and then a blade. So it's not painful. I know, believe it or not, it's not painful. We just scrape off all the dead skin cells. Your peach fuzz rolls off with it. Some people absolutely love that. Others prefer microdermabrasion. With both of these treatments, I like to follow it up with a really light chemical peel just to kill bacteria, to tighten up the skin and give your skin a nice healthy glow. Third option would be to just do a chemical peel. A chemical peel that actually might cause some peeling and flaking. These types of chemical peels are typically done in office. We put them on your face, we neutralize it, and then you go on with your day. In about, within a week, your skin is back to normal. But within that week, you might experience flaking, peeling, to just slough off all of the old and let that new glow shine through so you can walk around very confidently. Chemical peels are excellent if you deal with acne, hyperpigmentation, which are dark spots, or if you're just wanting to really create that nice even skin tone. As I said, every 4 to 6 weeks, it's an excellent option. As we get older, the process in which our skin cells turn over slows down significantly. So this is a great thing that you can invest in. We're only getting older. So if this is a priority for you, I highly recommend it. If you have questions, please hit me up.